kids! Welcome to Birdie's Book Club. I'm Birdie. Let's get cuckoo for reading! Hi, kids. Welcome back. This week's book was chosen by my friend Katherine, all the way out in Maryland. Hi, Katherine. I'm going to read A Monkey and Cake book, What is Inside This Box, by Drew Daywalt, illustrated by Olivier Tallec. I have a box too. At the end of the book, you'll see what's inside my special box. Hello, monkey. Hello, cake. What do you have? I have a box. It is a big box. It is a big box. What is in it? A kitty cat. A kitty cat is inside this box? Ooh, I love kitty cats. Can I see it? No, you cannot. It is a magic cat. Why can't I see the magic cat? Because the cat disappears when I open the box. So when you open the box, there is no cat inside? Yes. And when you close the box, there is a cat inside? Yes. When I open the box, there is no cat. But when I close the box again, the cat is back in the box. How do you know there is a cat in the box when it is closed? How do you know there is not a cat in the box when it is closed? I don't think there is a cat inside when the box is closed. Why not? I think that there is no cat in the box when it is open, and when you close the box, there is still no cat inside it. You can think anything you want about what is inside the box when it is closed. I can? Yes, you can. Then I think there is a dinosaur in the box when it is closed. You do? Can I see it? Nope. It is a magical dinosaur, and when you open the box, it disappears. I still think it is a cat. And I think it is a dinosaur. Well, we will never know. You are right. We will never know. Let's go get some pie. Okay, I love pie. The end. So what do you think was inside the box? What do you think is inside my box? Do you believe in things you can't see? Well, just because you can't see something doesn't mean it's not there. Okay, kids, let's check to see what or who is inside my box. I'm so excited to see. It's Posy! Hi, Posy! Hi, kids! Surprise! That is a surprise. Okay, kids, that's it for this week. Remember, keep getting cuckoo for reading!